Hello, in today's video I'm going to guide you on how to change your master password in Bitwarden. So first of all, log into your Bitwarden. So you can simply just go to bitwarden.com and log into your account. After you log in, come down here and at the left hand side of the screen, click on settings and the downward arrow. After I click on it, click on security. After I click on security, go click on master password. As you can see, after I click on master password, input your current password, type in the new password, then confirm the new password again. Then you can simply just also add int, but preferably I will advise you not to use any int and just know your password of it. It is better that way. After that, click on change master password and it's gonna change successfully. Hope this was helpful. Please kindly like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.